Oh, my back. Oh, give me like 5 minutes. I'm Chad Worthington, and have you ever been in a situation like this where you're just a few cents short?
You're 25 cents short.
Well then, do I have a product for you? Introducing the SGVM, the Scam and Gumball machine. Here's a little tip on how it works. First, place the machine in a crowded area. Whoa, gum! When they place in a quarter, they get no gumball. And you get all the money. And before you know it, you'll be swimming in cash. Also, this thing can store all of your gumballs that you've lying around your house for some reason.
He's right.
Oh, it's atrocious. Gross. Anyway, that's what you can do with this amazing product. You can make a quick buck and store all your Halloween candy. Now this product is $29.99. That's right, $39.99 for this amazing product. Order now while supplies last.